It said that a car accelerates at 2 meter per second square for 4 seconds from rest, and then it travels at a constant speed for 20 seconds. After that, it decelerates uniformly to rest. We need to find the total distance is given. Total distance traveled is 200 meter. We need to find the deceleration. So we can draw a velocity time graph to do that. So initial velocity is u, which is 0, and car accelerates at 2 meter per second square for 4 seconds. So that's 4 seconds. So the final velocity after the acceleration is finished, that is after 4 seconds, it is u plus at. If we use that formula, u is 0 plus 2 times 4, which is 8 meter per second. So if we draw the velocity here and time here, a graph, this is after 2 seconds, the velocity is 8 meter per second. So that's 8 meter per second here, which is after 2 seconds. Then it travels for a constant speed for 20 seconds. So for 20 seconds it goes at 8 meter per second velocity. So the distance traveled for that, so if we call this distance as s1, we can find this distance first. So we will use s1 is equal to ut plus half at square formula, which will give us, this is 0 because u is 0, half a, which is 2, t square will be 4 square, so that's 16. So we have 16 meter. So this is 16 meter. Then it travels at a constant speed, that is this speed, for 20 seconds. So it will travel, s2 will be vt, so that is 8 times 20, which is 160 meter. So this, if we look at the velocity curve here, this one, it goes for 20 seconds and the distance traveled is 160, and after that it decelerates uniformly to rest. So it comes to rest and total distance traveled is given 200 meter. So total distance is s1 plus s2 plus the deceleration distance, if we call it sd, which is the total distance is 200. So s1 is, as we saw, 16, and this one is plus 160 plus sd is equal to 200, which gives us sd is equal to 24 meter. So that's the distance, decelerating distance. So the distance that's traveled under deceleration, and the final velocity is 0 since it comes to rest. So we can again use this formula v squared. This is the other formula where we don't have the time, but we know distance traveled and we know acceleration. In this case it will be deceleration, so we can use negative in the formula, or we can use the value of a as negative, whatever it is. So let's do negative in the formula. That will be, we will get a positive value for the deceleration. We know this is deceleration. So this one is, this velocity is 8, so which is 64. Final velocity is 0, so that's 0. This velocity is 8, we know, so that's 8 square minus 2a times 24 distance traveled. So that will be 2a 24 and 8 square, which is 64. So a is 64, 24 times 2, which is 64 over 48, which is 4 over 3. So 4 over 3 meter per second square is the deceleration. That's the value of the deceleration or negative acceleration.